This is a tour of room 12071 on the MSC Seaside. We go in. This is a handicapped interior room. You see that there is plenty of space. You got a TV on the wall. There are mirrors. We have a clothesline. But you see, it's nice big space. You have a little desk over here with the drawer. Now there is a hairdryer in that, so when you come in and don't see a hairdryer in the bathroom, don't be alarmed. There is one. You have a little cabinet here.
Make sure they bring
with 2 clothing areas, and then this is your refrigerator. Then, as Anthony was saying, make sure that you bring a little outlet. That is definitely needed. You also might want a fan or a noise machine. We have a solar powered battery pack that charges in the sun. That's always helpful. He likes the magnetic hooks, which he has fashioned us a clothesline of sorts. And they're used good to hang your robe and your hats and stuff on. Got a nice big comfy queen size bed, king size bed actually. It is a large bed. It doesn't come apart.
No.
Not that
A lot of them are
noticed. A lot of them are 2.
Oh, it is. Look, it is 2 with 1 mattress.
Oh,
so that's what they done.
But all king size beds have 2 anyways.
No, look. It is. Look.
Okay. You've got a chair. And then you've got this bathroom. Look at this bathroom. It is big. With a toilet. Look at the shower. You've got a little seat that folds out, which it makes it very easy. You just fold it right out so you can shave your legs or shower or whatever. Fold it right back up. But you can see there's a nice big space for your shower. And here we are.